Welcome. If you want to connect Fake AirPods Pro to your Apple Watch Series 3, and first you have to grab your Apple Watch, then move to the Bluetooth settings. So you have to tap on this icon, then go for the Bluetooth, and remember to turn on Bluetooth by tapping on the switcher. When the switcher is turned on the green color, it means that Bluetooth is turned on. Right now we have to grab charging case, so open, and then we have to rotate and click and hold this button until the device pops on our list. So as you can see, indicator is blinking on the white color, and right now our Fake AirPods Pro appears on the list. So what we have to do right now, you have to simply tap right here, and after a few moments they are going to be connected, so we have to wait. And as you can see, status of the connection changed. Right now they are connected, so when we put AirPod to the ear like that, we can hear this characteristical sound. So that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments. Thank you, and subscribe to our channel. See ya.